Today we thought we'd check out this handy little Pomodoro timer. This is the TICKTIME motion controlled time cube. It's supposedly a good added aid for cooking, working out, studying and even baking. This simple small package includes a very simple user manual. There's a flat micro USB charge cable and the hexagonal shaped compact tick timer itself that is made from electroplating ABS material with 6 common time preset modules presented on each one of the hexagonal sides. So for example, we've got a 3-minute timer, a 5-minute timer, a 10-minute, a 15-minute, a 25-minute and a 30-minute timer. To the end, there is a micro USB charge port, where it will take 2 hours 40 minutes to fully recharge the 500 mAh internal battery from flat. We do indeed have a battery indication level displayed upon that LED screen, as well as the alarm volume level that can by the way be adjusted via those volume control buttons to the left and right. But you know what, here's how the timer basically works. If you want to use the presets, simply go ahead and select a specific time from one of the hexagonal sides and go ahead and flick that timer over to that side. For example, we have chosen 3 minutes here, and once it is flipped, the timer will start to count down with colourful second segments surrounding that countdown time also ticking away too. That central display will eventually rotate no matter which way you turn this hexagonal shaped timer to provide you with a clear visual notification. But one thing we've already noticed is that those time module digits are indeed facing away from us, which I must admit would be better suited if they simply faced forward for better visual aid. Now at the end of the countdown timer, the alarm will begin to ring, which can be stopped at any time by facing the tick timer upright. If you want to, you can set the timer to a specific time, take the tick timer, hold it upright, and quickly tap the minute button and second button to adjust it to your specified time. As well as that, there is also a normal 0-second start race timer for those fitness freaks that like to time themselves doing 100 meters or anything like that. Yeah. But what makes this Pomodoro timer unique is not only does it have a rotation gravity sensor, which is a cool and quite handy idea, but this tick timer can be magnetically placed in a few handy places, such as a weight bench when you're working out, a fridge door for when you're cooking in the kitchen, or even on a cooker top extractor fan to provide you with better visualization when baking, etc. Now we have rigorously tested this little timer out, and I must say it is super light. Yes, by the way, it does need to be, in order for it to magnetize well on coordinating surfaces. But because it is so light, it doesn't feel confidently durable. Nevertheless, like I said, it does magnetize quite good, but I may note that is only when it's placed rear end first onto a surface. Another thing is the display. Personally, I do think that in normal light, no, not under the spotlights of these studio lights just here, the digital timer is not too bad to see, but it is however dismal under bright lights. Yes, it certainly isn't as bright as I would like it to be, but the LED colour display is easily enough to quickly glance at and read. Lastly, the battery life. Out of the 10 hours that is specified within the specifications, you will most likely realistically get close to 4 to 5 hours continuous use. Alright, for the price, this tick timer is a little bit on the steep side, but I've got to be 100% honest, it does indeed have its uses. It's fun enough to simply grab if you're cooking a meal, turn the timer over, and walk away from it and let the alarm ring. But yeah, if you want to go ahead and check this little timer out for yourself, I have left a handy little link in the video description down below. If you have liked what you've seen today and you don't mind paying that hefty price, well, simply go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it'd mean so much if you please like and share this video today. But most importantly, please support this channel right now by hitting that subscribe button, bearing in mind though to click that bell notification option, so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now it's been great reviewing this unique little timer today, and we're going to be back with some more fascinating tech reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. As usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!